Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz, and in this month's Sew Along Club tutorial I'll be showing you how to make the Summer Cover-Up by Style Arc. The Summer Cover-Up is a really easy sewing project, so whatever level of sewing you're at, I'm sure you can give this one a go, especially with my help. Now this pattern is made by Australian company Style Arc. It comes in two sizes, so you can get it in the regular size, which is 4 to 16, or the extended size range, which is 18 to 30. In my tutorial, I'm going to show you everything from selecting a size to cutting out your pattern, cutting out your fabric, and all the processes involved in making your cover-up. Now this style comes in a choice of two styles. You can either make a tunic length or a maxi dress length. And this is designed for woven fabric, so you can make this in a lovely lightweight cotton voile, cotton gauze, or cotton lawn, or you can use something more drapey and fluid such as a viscose challis. And you need between 2 to 3 meters of fabric to complete this project, depending on the size and style that you're making. Full details of this pattern and the accompanying kits can be found on my website, flyingbobbins.com, and I'll pop a link in the description below. This will feature as the Sew Along Club Project of the Month for June 2025. And if you'd like to join my lovely Sew Along Club, then you can find a link in the comments below to my Sew Along Club page on my website, where you can find out all about it. It's £10 per month, and we feature a new project every month with lots of beautiful kits, fabrics, trims and patterns to accompany the projects. And of course you get the tutorial as well. On top of this, Sew Along Club members get an exclusive access to a Facebook group where we feature a question and answer session every month, as well as exclusive previews, pre-orders and discounts on the monthly kits I offer. So without further ado, let's crack on and get sewing.